Hi, students. This is Professor Laney recording another walkthrough about our reflection journal. So I'm starting with M1 or Module 1, and these look the same in pretty much every class. I like having a structured, familiar way to tackle our class so that when you take different classes with me, you don't have to learn a different style every time. So again, reflection journal happens more at the end of the week. This is called a formative assessment, meaning you're sort of measuring your own learning over the week, over the module, over the chapter. And this is how you just take a minute to reflect. Again, with everything, I'm using these accordions, and those colors aren't right. So I'm gonna have to fix that. It's usually yellow or green when green means go for me. So I don't know where black came from, but we'll figure that out. Uh, let's see. So introduction is like, again, this is like a quiz, but more qualitative, meaning it comes from you instead of it comes from me, and you just have to check off some boxes and click some answers or whatever. So again, I can refer to this as a journal or a reflection or anything like that. But again, it ties the content together for you. You're going to see that it's in three parts, and one of those parts is how you put into place, or eventually will put into place, what we're learning in class today. Okay, so instructions and formats, there are three parts here. Part one, we call it what? What is it? What did we learn this week? What did you learn this week? Now, again, this isn't the notes or the content connections, and this is not the discussion board. Like, what stuck out to you? You know, in chapter one, it's going to be like, oh, okay, well, chapter 1.1 is like, what is child development? And then what is periods of development, and what are stages of development? What are ages in development? What are issues in development? Like, you may have not really thought about nature and nurture outside of psychology class, right? Or biology class. So this is where, when things stick out to you, this is where you get to add those in part one. Um, I'm looking for about 5 sentences in each section here. Part two, so what? This section is how you share what it means to your life now or in the future. So again, if you're a child development major, and you want to end up being a speech and language pathologist, tell me why this connects, right? And then there's a now what, okay? What is something else that's going on, like that could connect to what we've discussed this week? Is it song lyrics? Is it a TED talk? Is it anything that, like, sometimes when you're reading through the book and you have a song that gets stuck in your head, or a meme or something, like, show me, but please give me the link so I can read it too. If it's an article or if it's a TED talk, I want to see what's out there. Parts 1 through 3 are to be typed, no attachments or links. Okay. 5 to 10 sentences each and separated by a paragraph. So ideally, I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 paragraphs, 5 to 10 sentences each. That's it. Make sure you're using collegiate spelling and grammar. Make sense? Okay. For submitting, you're going to make sure that you have parts 1, 2, 3 in the submission box. It doesn't have to be a link, so just type it in the submission box. But what I do is I type on a Word document and then cut and paste it in, so I still have it just in case. Your privacy is important. This is 100% towards me. Nobody's going to see it like in the discussion board. But if you need some additional assistance, I'm here for you. Okay. Grading a rubric. Again, I look at the parts 1 through 3 as 5 points each. This one is point bearing, meaning if you do super rad, I can give you a couple extra points, right? Because sometimes people really kind of dive off a deep end here, and that's okay. So part one, I'm looking for 5 to 10 complete sentences sharing what you learned. Part two, I'm looking for your application to your present and or future career or personal life. And part three, I'm looking for what you think deepens your learning on the topic. So 5, 10, 15. Sometimes I like to give 17, 16. So show me what you got. Yeah. And then I said students can earn up to 20% above the assignment score, which is 3 points. So 10% of 15 is 1.5. And then put those two together, which makes it 20%. It's 3 points. So I can give up to 18 points. No cheating or use of AI. But again, I just say put it in the text entry box. I don't want to upload or anything like that. Good. Pretty straightforward. Journal, 3 parts. It's going to be what stuck out to you, how does this apply to your life, and what else is out there. Make sense? Sounds pretty cool, huh? So I'm hoping that this works for you, and I think it will. But if there's any questions at any time, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here for you. All right. Thanks.